Okay, we're back to show you the final procedure for the queso dip, and we've got a container's worth of it was 1 block of extra melt, and we used 2 parts of half and half cream and 1 part of heavy whipping cream, and we melted this down in the microwave on high power. It took a total of about 8 to 9 minutes. And periodically we would pull out the container and stir with a rubber spatula just to mix all that nice cream and cheese together. And earlier on we had poured off some of the cream, the residual cream that was left over, but we ended up pouring that back in and just slowly folding it. So this is the consistency that we want, and it's a nice color as well. Here are our vegetables, which have just been sitting and cooling at room temperature. So we're going to go ahead and fold these in. And I wasn't sure if I was going to use all of them, so I'm just going to spatula off half and fold those in. And I'm thinking we're probably going to use the whole batch, to be honest with you. And again, the recipes and the ratios for this run the gamut, but this is just a real good starter recipe so that you can see what kind of feel you're going for. And you really get to see what kind of a difference the fresh vegetables make. And again, at the very end, we folded in some fresh cilantro, and we seasoned those vegetables with chili powder, as well as a pinto bean seasoning that was mostly Camino with some other seasonings in there as well. So this is the finished deal, and this is about the color that I want and the consistency I want, so that as you dip into it, you get a nice flavor and you get a nice sample of all the vegetables that we've gone to the trouble to throw in there. So it's nice and chunky. And this will hold in the fridge in between servings, and you can just heat it up as you need it. And that's our finished queso there. And you can put that in a serving bowl for your guests, or keep it in a crock pot at very, very low heat, and that way they can serve and eat along with it. So that's the finished queso.